So I figured tonight, since I'm just finishing up work, it's currently 8:05 p.m. I worked from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. today on Saturday, and I figured that I would do a sort of nighttime routine on a work night. This is the first time I've worked till 8 p.m. Normally I work till 4 or 6, but today's a little bit different, so I wanted to kind of bring you guys along with my night routine and kind of thing. So I'm just about to leave work right now. I'm sitting in the parking garage waiting to leave, so I figured that I would kind of, like I said, take you along with my evening, make some dinner, relax, get ready for bed and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's about 15-20 minutes from my house to work. So normally I take TTC, but when I work on weekends, I like to drive in because it's a lot quicker. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I will take you guys along with my evening, and hopefully it's kind of like a semi-vlog nighttime routine, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I just got home from work. It took me a little bit longer. You know when you hit those red lights and then you just continuously get red lights all the way home, but I'm here. I've arrived. It's 28 after 8, so almost 8:30. I'm currently wearing, I will show you my comfy clothes. So on weekends we're actually allowed to wear casual clothes to work. So I'm wearing just a t-shirt, which you guys have seen before, and my just Levi mom boyfriend style jeans, and then I stole Matt's sweater this past week when I was there, which actually I think fits me a lot better than Matt. So I'm wearing that. I wore it to work because it does get pretty cold there with the AC. But I'm going to change into some track pants and probably go upstairs and try and make dinner. I'm not too hungry, but I know I need to eat because I have another 10 to 8 hour day tomorrow. So I want to prep some food for lunch. So I will probably end up throwing on some TV. So I will change, and then I will see you guys upstairs in the kitchen and figure out what we're gonna make for dinner. So it turns out I actually have the house to myself this evening. My parents are on our boat with their friends, and then my sister is staying at a friend's house this weekend, so I get the luxury of having the house to myself, which is quite nice and often somewhat rare because there's normally people here. But I'm gonna go around and turn all the lights on because it is a little dark in here, and I don't know about you guys, but I always like having lights on around the house because it just makes me feel like there's other people at home. So I'm going to throw on the TV and let's see what's on. So I think my mom mentioned, oh yep, here it is, that there's some chicken that she picked up at Farm Boy. So I think I'm gonna make some chicken, and then I don't know, there's some beans in here, some other stuff. I don't know what exactly I'm gonna do with the chicken yet. I may season it, so I don't know if I should do that tonight or if I should do that tomorrow night. I don't know what my parents have planned. I should probably text them and ask because I don't want to make dinner if we're going to be having it tomorrow. And then see, let me give my mom a call. Hopefully she answers because they're on the boat. Hey, do I make the chicken tonight or save it for tomorrow?
So you can make it tonight.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can make it tonight.
Okay, so I can have the chicken, but I really don't feel like making some potatoes, so I'm going to turn the oven on to 375 and let it cook or heat. Let's see what's in the freezer. My good go-to is always French fries, and I think they are all gone. Does anyone else find that sometimes when you're just not motivated to cook, you just don't want to do anything? Like, I literally just don't feel like cooking. Oh well, I gotta make something, so we're gonna make some potatoes. I guess I'll boil them and then just fry them up in the frying pan or something, make them all crispy, so. Dinner, I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I ended up making some chicken and I ended up putting like some burger seasoning on it, and then some potatoes. I just fried them up and I'm gonna have some with ketchup. Got myself a glass of water. I'm going to relax, watch Four Weddings that's on now, and then we'll see what we want to do after. Okay, so I'm done dinner. I've been watching Four Weddings. I didn't realize that it's like a 2-hour show. So what I'm gonna do is start cleaning up the dishes, because I think that's probably one of the worst things when you make food, is having to clean up after yourself. So I'm going to clean up the dishes, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hopefully this is almost over. I want to see the end, but I also really just kind of want to go hang out in bed and watch some YouTube. So I don't know. Commence the cleaning of the kitchen video. Okay, so I'm all done with the dishes. I cleaned up all my containers for lunch. I am now turning off all of the lights, so I can start to get ready for bed, because I just kind of want to go relax. So as much as I really want to see the end of Four Weddings, I'm going to turn it off because it's still on for another 40 minutes and I don't feel like waiting. So now that I've kind of like put all my stuff away, I've cleaned up the dishes and I've done all of that, I'm going to start getting ready for bed. So as you guys can see, I actually only have mascara and some stuff on my eyebrows today. I don't necessarily wear a lot of makeup when I'm there on the weekends because there's only like 7 of us in the office. So I'm going to be using, actually I'll show you. So I normally use just a makeup wipe when I'm only using or when I'm only wearing mascara and some like stuff on my eyebrows. So I've really been liking these, I'll show you, these Sephora like hydrating wipes. They're watermelon. They actually smell like really, really good, and they're the only ones that actually don't make my eyes kind of feel like they're dry, if that makes sense. Like normally once I take off my makeup with a wipe, I have to like go in with a face wash and a moisturizer afterwards to make my face like feel hydrated again, and these are probably like the only ones that I don't have to do that with, which I really like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off my makeup, I'm going to brush my teeth, I'm going to take my vitamins, and then we'll get ready to go into bed. Okay, so now that my teeth are brushed, I'm going to put my PJs on, and then we're going to turn on some TV, and we're going to relax. Normally, I don't like stay up and like sit in bed with a robe, but I kind of just want to like hang out, go on my computer, go on my phone, and watch some NCIS just for the rest of the evening. I've really been liking crime shows. I've always liked them, but just recently I've been watching NCIS, like the regular one. So I'm going to watch probably an episode of that, go on my computer for a little bit. I I don't know, probably watch some YouTube maybe as well, go on my phone, and then I'm going to head to bed. I do have to get up, have to go to work tomorrow again, so it is like a work night for me, even though I don't work till 10 a.m., so I can sleep in just a little bit, and then I'll head into the office, but, yeah, so I'm just gonna hang out in my faux fur fuzzy robe and then head to bed probably once this episode is over, which it's about 45 minutes, so not too bad. And it's currently, what time is it? It's currently 5 to 11, so probably around like 11:30, 11:45 I will begin to head to bed, and yeah, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so it's like 11:45-ish right now. I'm pretty tired, so I think I'm going to head to bed. I hope you all enjoyed sort of like this super casual vlog style night routine. If you want me to do sort of like a more in-depth one of like when I've got things going on, I can definitely do that. I just figured it'd be kind of cool to show you guys like a typical evening, like when I'm home by myself, of what I'm doing. So I hope you all enjoyed. I'm going to head to bed because I've got to work tomorrow, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!